Hello viewer, allow me welcome you to this today's training. We're going to learn about using a mixer and you need to know that we have different types of mixer. We have a powered mixer, of which I'll tell you about it. Also we have two types of mixer, unpowered and powered. With me here is a powered mixer. This is a powered mixer and this is unpowered. And if you want to differentiate between a powered mixer and unpowered mixer, the first thing that you should look on is whether it gives you an output for the to feed the speakers. And if you look carefully, let me remove this. This is power. It gives you an option for output for the to the speakers. And also another thing, if you to that we have also an unpowered mixer. If you look, it has it gives you no output to feed the speakers, meaning that you'll have to use an amplifier, of which with me here is an amplifier. We are going to show you how to use it. So the first thing to differentiate between unpowered mixer and the powers is just look on the output for the speakers. Unpowered mixer has no output to feed the speakers, but the powered mixer has an output here. We have an output here. So if you with your speaker cable, this is a spec on, you'll feed it here, and it takes signal to the speakers, the powered signal. So this one, another thing, the powered mixer has its own amplifier. Well, with the unpowered mixer, you have to use an amplifier for it for your speakers to function and for the signal to be powered to the speakers. So that's all about the difference between the powered mixer and unpowered mixer. So we have you can see a lot of things here. These are called the knobs in this mixer. It's the same with these knobs. I'll show you on how to use I'll explain to you about these knobs, and you need to know that they are all the same. Also with these knobs here. With me here, if you look at this knob here, I'm going to use a channel. We have a channel here. A channel. These are channel. These are channel. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. So this channel is the same. All the knobs in this channel is the same to all the knobs in this channel. The same to all the knobs in this channel. And paka mwisho. In here. And to explain, we have this knob, the first knob. This one, it's called the gain. The gain. So this gain, from the term gain, it boosts the sound. It boosts the sound. The more you gain, the more the sound increases. We have a dB. It starts from negative 15 dB to 0 dB. So the more you get from the negative, the more the sound increases to the positive side. So this is a knob gain, and so we have a high. This is the second knob. High. The high frequency the high frequency. So we have high, gives you a high frequency. For example, those for the ladies. We have the soap. Yeah, sana for the soap. Then we have a mid, gives you a mid frequency for the alto and tenor. And we have the third knob we have is low, gives you a low frequency for the bass. And also to proceed, you have an auxiliary. This is an auxiliary for it has a function of which I'll tell you later. So we have an auxiliary, and we also have an FX, of which I'll tell you later. And we also have a pan. We use pan. If you can look here, we have two output. So if you pan, let's say this is right, we have a left and right. So when you feed your speaker to the left and you want to, so this knob is just for distributing sound either to the left or to the right. If you take this to the right, sound goes to the right output. If you bring it to the left, sound goes to the left. The more, but we can distribute the sound in a way that both the left and the right receives an equal sound. So we make it be at the center. This knob here, make it face the center, meaning that the sound has been distributed both equally to the left and to the right. Here with me, this is just a channel slider for increasing the dBs. Yeah, you know the sound is measured in dBs. So this, we have a dB here from think 50 moving to 10 and to 0. So this is just a channel slider also to increase the sound. After you've gained, you can, if you, this is at 0, there's no sound that will come out. So you have to also increase your channel slider. The same thing I've explained here, you can apply it to the next channel and to the 16th channel. Yeah, so that's about the knobs and the channel slider. And also we have this thing here. This is called an input. Yeah, you have to know that everything that comes into the mixer is an input. And everything that goes in out from the mixer is an output. So with me here is 16 inputs. You can use an XLR cable and also a jack. So we have something, maybe you have a microphone cable. Yeah, you want to feed a sound to the mixer. So you have to use a cable like this. You have a male and a female. So a male, you will insert it to the mixer. Then this one will go to the microphone. But you have a microphone cable. So this is just a connector, XLR cable connector. Yeah, it has both female and male. Yeah, so that is it. So we have a input of both. You can use XLR cables and also you can use a jack. Jack is something like this. You can show them. Jack. This is a jack. So you can insert it. So this is channel 3. So when we connect a microphone in channel 3, meaning that our controls for microphone 3 will be here. This is the channel slider for microphone 3. So this is where you'll be controlling microphone 3. The gain is there, the high, low, mid, low frequency, and also palm for distributing sound either to the left or to the right. Another thing we have here, we have this is an MP3 sound slider. This slider for music. We have maybe you put a music using the Bluetooth. Here we have a Bluetooth you can connect with your phone. So we'll be using this cable, this slider. So that's about the MP3. And also we have an FX. This is for effect. The one I will tell you, FX, say in this channel 3, these are FX. You want to make your sound have some of echo or something of that sort. So you just increase the FX, and also we have another knob here of FX. So if you increase this one also, then you give it the channel slider for the effect. So that is it for echo. You want to hear some echo. Yeah. So that's how you put it. And also in this mixer, we have a mini equalizer here. Mini equalizer for for balancing the frequencies. From here, from this side, we have a low frequency from 63 hertz going to 15 kilohertz. The more you go, the more the frequency increase. So this you can use this for low frequency as it increases to mid, then high. So this is just for balancing the frequencies. Yeah. So the mini equalizer for balancing the frequencies. That's all about the mix. These knobs also for the mini equalizer. I hope now you understand about it, just for balancing the frequency. And with us here is a master volume. The master volume for increasing the overall sound coming from the mixer. So you use your master volume, both left and right. If you put this at D0, the left, meaning that no sound will be coming from your left output. But if you want your sound to come also from the left output, you have to increase this, the left slider. So this is the master volume. So it controls the amount of volume coming from your mixer. And with us here is a small, let me call it a monitor. It will show you how many dBs you are doing. For example, in our master volume, the more you increase, it tell you on this monitor the amount of dBs you are doing. If you can see, we have -20 to +6. That are dBs. So with your channel slider, the monitor will show you how many dBs you are doing. So these are master volume, and this for the effect. So maybe you want some echo, you use this. This is just for music, and this channel sliders just for increasing the sound of each channel. Yeah, this one. So that is it. The same with in the unpowered mixer. We have the gain, come like this one. Gain. We have also high, mid. Then this mixer will also give you mid bass and also the low. It has a too low frequency, so just the same with that one. They also from auxiliary, we had the other mixer the same. We have the auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, auxiliary 3. So you just use them the same way as in the other one. So we have the pan, which I've talked about, just for distributing sound. The same thing for the same thing for the other channels. And also this knob here, just for clarity, for increasing clarity of the sound. And also we have the channel slider. The same thing, we have the master volumes. Yeah, that is it. And I hope you've learned something, and hope to see you next time.